Turn like 90 degrees. Give us a profile, of course.
I wasn't understanding your cues. I thought you wanted me to like.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Okay, here she is. We're a little bit over 37 weeks. 37 weeks in one day. She's getting bigger. I wonder if it's, I think it's like, can I get any bigger than this? Is how I feel. Like I'm huge, but she seems like she doesn't have very much room to move anymore.